As this video suggests, yes, I have developed my own mobile app. So what originally was a side project to learn Go, the programming language, and to teach my kids a few Samoan words, as they're half black and half Samoan, actually turned into a full-scale mobile app. Mind you, I am a full-stack web developer, never developed any mobile apps, so this was definitely a learning journey. I've been developing the app since May of last year and actually started from scratch back in August. So this has been a crazy experience. I've been up all night learning different things, how to use Figma, hiring Fiverr designers and people that can generate content for me, using Notion to product manage things, and just taking my level up in SQL for just querying and learning how people are using the app. I've also been doing some beta testing, and all in all, it's just been a very long journey, and I'm not there yet. My goal is to release this month, either near the mid or end days of the month, but definitely before the month of February, it should be out. If you're wondering what the app is, Talo is a mobile application that helps primarily first or second generation immigrants, as well as families with mixed cultures, and maybe like my family, to feel more connected. I used to live in New Jersey, and my wife couldn't see any Polynesians. It really bothered her, it bothered me, and also for my kids, they wouldn't grow up with other Samoans and Black. So what we ended up doing was starting this just to learn Samoan language, but quickly grew into something else where you can find other people that are of your same ethnic background, as well as learn about your culture on a daily. So I am really excited about this mobile app. Again, it should be coming out later this month. If you would like to stay tuned to the journey as I decide to share some of the progress of the app, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below. And this is kind of like a crappy voiceover, but I just wanted to share what I've been working on the side. So again, thank you for tuning this video, and stay on the lookout for Talo.